This is IAL C34 May 16, question number 6. Given that A and B are the constants such that A is greater than B is greater than 0. On a separate diagram, sketch the graph with the equation y is equal to x minus A. Modulus. So part A, number 1 is y is equal to modulus x minus A. Suppose we have to draw the graph of y is equal to x minus 2. So if x is 0, y is minus 2. And if y is 0, x is 2. So this is the graph. Now modulus means y is positive only, so this reflection will be here. So this graph is going to be, and the reflection and this side, and this point is A and 0, and this point will be where x is 0, so y is negative A, so this is mod A, so this is 0 and A. So that is this. Now part 2, same graph we use this negative B. Negative B means y is reduced by B. So this graph, if this is a B, so this graph will come down B points. So let's say this is the graph on the separate. He wants it on the separate. So that will be, so this is mod x minus A. So minus B will be if this is the point. This is B. It will be so this will be y is equal to x minus A minus B. This is B point, it's going down. This is 0, so that one. So this point will be A and B. This will be, now it has shifted this. So this is A minus B and this is A plus B. This is A plus B, x and 0. This is A minus B, this is also A minus B. So that is the graph. A sketch on each graph coordinate we have set the coordinate also. Part B, this was A, now we do part B. Hence or otherwise find the complete set, the value for which modulus x minus A minus B is less than half x. So first case is if this is positive, so x minus A minus B is less than x over 2. Multiply all by 2. So 2x minus 2A minus 2B is less than x. Bring x here and bring it that side. So 2x minus x is less than 2a plus 2b. So x is less than 2 a plus b. Second condition is if x minus a is negative. So minus x minus a minus b is less than x over 2. So we multiplied by 2. So negative 2x, negative and negative, positive 2a minus 2b is less than x. So let x come this side. So minus 2x minus x, and let it go this side. So this is 2b minus 2a. So minus 3x is less than 2b minus a. So x is less than, divide both sides. So this sign will change. If I am dividing by negative 3, so x is greater than 2 over minus 3 b minus a, or we can write it x is greater than 2 over 3 a minus b. So these are the solution sets for this equation. Question number 7. The figure shows the sketch of a part of the curve with the equation y is equal to 1 over root 2x plus 5. X is greater than negative 2.5. The finite region is bounded by this line, curve, and x-axis. Use the trapezium rule with the 3 strips of equal width to find an estimate for the area of R. Given your answer to 3 decimal places. This is 2. Then there is 3. Then this is 4. So these are the strips 1, 2, 3. Now we have to use the trapezium rule to find. So first, for the trapezium rule, we need the x values and corresponding y values. So x we have 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So y will be, if I put 2, that 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5, 9. So this is 1 over root 9. This is 1 over root 6 plus 5, 11. This is 1 over root 4 times 2 is 8, 2, 10, 3, 13. And this is 1 over 5 times 2, 10, 15, root 15. So these are the values. So these are the inner values and these are the extremes. So integral y dx a to b, the area will be half, multiply by h, 3 minus 2, 1, multiply 1 over root 9 plus 1 over root 15 plus 2 multiply 1 over root 11 plus 1 over root 13. So these are the values. So 1 over root 9, so that will be half, If you want, you can calculate that. This is 1 over 3. So we have to write 3 places of decimals. So 0.33 plus 0.25 plus 2 multiply 0.30 and plus 0.27. I'm just writing the 2 places of decimal, but you write 3 places. I think after adding I'll get the 3 places of decimal. So if you solve it, you will get 0.875. So that is the area of this figure. Now part B is use calculus to find the exact area. So to find the exact area, it will be integral 2 to 5 2x plus 5 is to the power minus half. So its integration is 2x plus 5 is to the power minus half plus 1 over minus half plus 1 multiplied by 2. And that is 2 to 5. So that is equal to, this is 2 times 1 is 2, this is half, this will be cancelled, so there is no denominator, this will cancel, so it will remaining, this is half. So we have 2x plus 5 root 2 to 5. So that is equal to, we put value of 5 times 2 is 10, root 15 minus root 9. So that is root, we have to find the exact area, root 15 minus 3. And this is the exact area of this figure. Part C. Hence calculate the magnitude of the error of the estimate found in part A, giving your answer to one significant figure. For part C, let's calculate it in decimal. So that is equal to 0.873. 0.873. This is not the second part, because we have to find the exact value. We are doing the part C. So the magnitude of error, so percentage error will be, the first one we calculate was 0.875 minus 0.873 divided by 0.873, and this whole multiply 100 to convert it into percentage. So that is 0.22%. Give your answer to one significant figure. So that is 0.2%. Question number 8, part A. Prove that sin 2x minus 10x sin 2x minus is equivalent to 10x cos 2x. So now in this question, let's try to change into sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x and 10x is sin x over cos x. So that is, so left part is, now we multiply it, so that because we need 10 here, so that is 2 sin x cos square x minus sin x over cos x. So sin x is common and cos x, so at least we are getting it here, and we know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So this 10x is sin x over cos x. So we have taken sin x common. The remaining is 2 cos square x minus 1 over cos x. So that is 10x, and 2 cos square x minus 1 is cos 2x. So this was the identity we were supposed to prove. Part B. First part is sin 2 theta minus 10 theta. Sin 2 theta minus 10 theta. We have to solve this. Is equal to root 3 cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta minus 10 theta we can write as 10x 10 theta cos 2 theta minus root 3 cos 2 theta, that is 0. So cos 2 theta is common, and we have 10 theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. So if cos 2 theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2 theta is equal to cos inverse 0. So that is pi over 2. Theta is from 0 to pi over 2. So theta will be pi over 4. And if 10 theta is equal to minus root 3 0, so theta will be, so if 10 theta minus root 3 is equal to 0, so theta is 10 inverse root 3. So theta will be that is pi over 3. So that is 1.047, 3 significant figure 1.05, and this can also be written as 0.785. So we have these two values from the part 1. Theta is equal to this and theta is this. Second part is tan theta plus 1 cos 2 theta plus 2 minus sin 2 theta plus 2 is equal to 2. Now this one is equal to this. We can write it sin 2 theta plus 2 minus tan theta plus 1 minus sin 2 theta plus 2 is equal to 2. So we can cancel this. So we have tan theta plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So theta plus 1 is equal to tan inverse minus 2. And tan inverse minus 2 is 1.107. So we have theta is pi over 2, this is plus 1 and 1. This is negative. ASTC. So this value will be so theta plus 1 will be, we have up to pi over 2 and plus 1 means it's second quadrant. So we have this angle. So theta plus 1 will be pi minus this, so that is 2.034. 2.034. So theta will be 1.034. Up to 3 scientific figure, theta will be 1.03. So that is the answer of this part. Question number 9. This is P and this is T. P is the population and T is the time in the years. So P is equal to nine thousand e to the power kt divided by 3 e to the power kt plus 7. T is greater than 0 where k is a positive constant. A sketch of the graph of P against T as shown in the figure 2. Find the population at the start of the study. So at the start of the study, T is equal to 0. So P will be 9000 e to the power 0 divided by 3 e to the power 0 plus 7. So this is 1 and this is 1. So 9000 over 10. So that is 900 is the population. Part B. Find the value of the upper limit of the population. So for the upper limit, this P will be 9000 e to the power unlimited infinity over 3 e to the power infinity plus 7. So this is not going to hold, so this is 9000 over 3. So that will be 3000. So we are not going to consider this for the upper limit. Part C. P is 2500 and T is 4. Find K. So this P is 2500 is equal to 9000 e to the power kt means 4k, T is 4, divide by 3 e to the power 4k plus 7. So this is, we can cancel this, rest we'll cancel later. So this is 25 over 90 e to the power 3 e to the power 4k plus 25 over 90 multiply 7, we did the cross multiplication, is equal to e to the power 4k. We have to find the value of this. So let's bring here this and take it this side. So e to the power 4k common. So this is 25 over 90. So this is 3 into 25 over 90 minus 1 is equal to minus, this is 175 over 90. So e to the power 4k, this will be 75 minus 90 over 90 is equal to minus 175 over 90. So e to the power 4k will be minus 175 over 90 multiply 90 over, this is also negative and negative, so it will become positive, that is 15. So this and this cancels. So e to the power 4k will be 11.667. So 4k will be ln 11.667. So k will be ln 11.667 divided by 4. So the value of k will be 0.6141. So that is equal to 0.614. That is 3 decimal places. Part D. Using dp over dt. So we have to differentiate this. dp over dt will be 3 e to the power kt plus 7 square. Now 3 e to the power kt plus 7 differential of 9000 e to the power kt. So that is 9000 e to the power kt multiplied by, this is t, multiplied by k, minus differential of this 3 e to the power kt multiplied by k, 7 is 0, and multiplied by 9000 e to the power kt. Make sure you have to be very careful. The chances to write wrongly k or t. So that is equal to that is 9000 e to the power kt. 9000 e to the power kt is common, so 9000 e to the power kt over 3 e to the power kt plus 7 square. So this will be 3 k e to the power kt plus 7k minus 3 k e to the power kt so this will be equal to 9000 e to the power kt divided by 3 e to the power kt plus 7 square. 3 e to the power 3k e to the power kt minus 3k e to the power kt cancel, so multiply 7k. Now we put the values. So we have 7 multiply this, that is 63,000. K is the value of k. We calculated the value of k 0.64, 0.61, and e to the power kt, t is 10, so that is 6.1 divided by 3 e to the power 6.1 plus 7 square. So if you calculate this, you will get roughly this one, and that is give your answer to nearest integer. So the answer will be 9. Question number 10, part A. That is, given that gx is minus pi over 2 to pi over 2, sketch the graph of y is equal to gx, where gx is, this is arctan x, that is tan inverse x, Now we have to make the graph for this, and we know the graph of 10 is, this is asymptote, so this is minus pi over 2 to pi over 2, that is, and that is another one. Now to be inverse, that is a 10 inverse, it has to be a 1 to 1, so that's why the interval is always given like this. So now what we have to find is, this is the graph. Now we have to find the Arctan graph. So now this graph will be, say this is minus pi over 2 and this is pi over 2. So it was from 1 to 1, so this is, now we have the asymptotes here. So the graph will be x is a real number, it can extend, and but this is from here to here, so that is a graph of Arctan. That is part A. Part B, find the exact value. 3 g x plus 1 is equal to pi. So gx plus 1, this is pi over 3. So gx is arctan x, so it will be arctan x plus 1 is equal to pi over 3. So x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse pi over 3. And tan inverse pi over 3 is root 3. So x will be root 3 minus 1. That is the exact value of x for this one. Part C. The equation x, so the equation is arctan, in fact this is just a one word, so this is arctan x minus 4 plus half x is equal to 0. Have a solution. X is equal to alpha. Show that alpha lies between 5 and 6. So x is equal to alpha is equal to 5. So arctan 5 minus 4 plus 4 over 2 is equal to, so this value you will get negative, and if x is equal to alpha is equal to 6, that is arctan 6 minus 4, this is 5 over 2, x over 2, this is 6 over 2, you will get it positive. So between negative and positive, so it shows that alpha is lying between 5 and between 6, and that is the solution of this equation. Part D. xn plus 1 is equal to 8 minus 2 arctan xn. So x1 will be 8 minus 2 arctan. N is 0, 10, 5. So that is equal to 5.25319. 25319. 3 decimal places. 3. And x2 will be 8 minus 2 arctan 5.253. So that is equal to 5.23462. 5.23462. So up to 3 places of decimal, this is 234. So this will be 5. So the answer will be 5.235. 3 decimal places. So answer is going to be this. So that's all for these questions. This is up to 10. The remaining 3 questions I'll post in the course of the day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, any question, any problem, please do ask. Thanks for watching.